So I made this interesting 3D print, which if light shines through, it looks like a photo, but it's actually a relief. So how can you do those? Well, I made a Python script and I'd make it available for you. You can find the link in the comments. So you will just see this on Google Colab. You might have to sign in to Google Colab. And what you want to do is hit runtime, run all, and that will go through the code, load the imports, define the script, and then when it's done crunching through it, it will present you with a choose files option. And now you can just choose your photo, whichever you want, and it will upload the photo to the Colab and then crunch the numbers. And when it's done, it will allow you to download an STL, which it's doing now. And depending on how big your photo is, this will take a while, depending on the resolution, but it will actually reduce the resolution to a maximum. If you want to change it, you can go to show code, and here's the maximum resolution. So if you want a higher resolution, you can put a higher number. If the files get too big, you can lower the number. So eventually it will hopefully finish download in a second, and then present you with a download dialog. It will save to downloads. The name of the file is the name of the file you uploaded with an STL extension. So now I'm using the Bamboo slicer that comes with the printer, and I'm just going to download and check the latest file and then put it in my slicer, and it loads, and there you see it's a photo. So it's a little big. You can scale it down, and you will see that the darker the pixel is, the higher the relief is. You can use this button here to move it up and down, depending on how much you want to print it. Now, the important thing is you need to set the infill to 100% here, right? So that actually, if the light shines through and you set the infill to another pattern, it will not create this photo effect. So now you just slice it, and then you can send it to the printer. And just to wrap up, I'm going to show you how the slices look in the end when it's done. And there you go. If you want a higher precision print, you can also activate the adaptive layer height. However, that might change the darkness of the corresponding pixel a little bit. So you can play around with it. All right, have fun. Goodbye.